Gonna stick some defense, buddy? Take it back. Do it again. I want to see how consistent you guys are. I always see it on YouTube, but I never see it in person. Whoa! Whoa! Holy God damn it!
Damn.
See, your kind actually, you guys actually can do some good. So many bangers on the way. Did y'all know OG did this in COD? Oh my. This was my first game before I came to 2K, I was on Call of Duty first. Look at this, slide through the, John Wick. OG. Tap into this video.
Oh my God, it's my guy.
You good, bro?
So, in today's video, you guys can see I got on the court with someone who says he runs with Steezo. Says he's a Steezo clone. And I ain't gonna lie, when you literally hear him talk, he sounds like Steezo. Has the same fit.
I missed. I could push B.
So I had Tom go meet him today. Green! And Tom put him to the challenge. So I'm gonna turn on my mic. You're gonna hear the live chat. If you're gonna play like that guy Stez, actually do some ISO, man. I wanna see something, dude.
I got you, dude.
Jesus Christ.
I got you, dude.
Wow.
Damn.
Yeah. Whoa, dude. God damn it, dude.
Chill out. Let me get another.
Jesus Christ. If you're gonna do it, hit the goddamn shot, dude. Come on. Reset it. God damn, dude. You're putting that guy Stez to roll in his grave, dude.
Hey, bro. Your voice funny.
That's right, dude. I'm just trying to watch. Wow, that's nice. God damn it. You gonna stick some defense, buddy? Take it back. Do it again. I want to see how consistent you guys are. I always see it on YouTube, but I never see it in person. Whoa! Whoa! Holy God damn it! See, your kind actually, you guys actually can do some good. Damn, that was nice.
Fuck, that's on me.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah. You guys actually have some talent, can be pretty useful. Damn.
I missed.
Come on, clip every play and we need the win, dude. Steez would do
Got
it.
it, bro. I get us the win, bro. I get us the win, bro.
Clips and a win. I don't want anything regular.
You said what?
Clips and a win. I don't want anything regular.
Come on, bro.
Come on, dude.
I got you.
You hear him? We're starting to get angry.
Bro, you
Block it,
sound
come
like
on.
somebody. I just can't
Damn it,
remember
dude.
who. Alright, let me get the 3.
Sounds like Pennywise.
Nah, not even Pennywise. It's somebody else.
Nice, nice. All right. Come on, no threes, dude.
Someone else you sound like, bro. I just don't know who it is. Yo, he's moving crazy.
Bro, shit has boxed the whole possession and just faster than me.
God damn. God damn. God damn. Yeah, he doesn't have really nice moves. Ew, dude. That was disgusting. You should be ashamed of yourself. God damn, this guy's the real deal. Give it back to him. End it in style, dude. Steez would do it. to the test. That's how it was when I was in war. 20 years ago. When you're on the spot, it's different when you're on the spot. You gotta pull a 30 caliber, rifle up, shoot it. You gotta aim. You gotta keep your breath under control, dude. It's a different experience. It's the same like this, though, when you're playing the game, when you're trying to do your ISO moves.
Bro, no fucking steal.
Let's go. No score. End it in style. No threes. They're thirsty for it. I'll help on the drive a little bit. Nice, nice. Got bored. Here. End it. That's right, boy.
Damn.
Do those dribble moves, boy. That's right. There you go. Nice. Nice. That's a good boy. There it is.
Shut up, bro.
You gotta finish it, bud.
Yo, he is throwing
God damn it, dude. Come on, man.
Do it, bro.
The combos is flowing, dude, and then you're just... Come on, dude. Finish it, dude. Defense. Watch him in the corner, dude. Come on, man. God damn it, dude. God damn it, man.
Hey, bro, stop crying, bro. I can end the game.
He can end it, dude. All right.
End it.
God damn. Let's see it. Don't do too much. Just finish it in style. Nice.
Finally.
Dude, shut your goddamn mouth, Double. I told him I wanted him to end it in style, dude. Relax.
We almost game because of fucking style.
You're right, buddy. You're right. Style sometimes can be too much, but his kind like style.
PG.
His kind like style.
I bet $20 you definitely look at Steezo Dribble to study that shit, didn't you?
Nah, bro, I've been doing this since 2K16, bro. I swear.
So what you're saying is you've been doing it before Steez?
Nah, Steezo was doing it back then too.
Hold on. What the fuck is going on?
Yeah, I hear it. It sound weird.
Yeah.
But nah.
Wait, so you're saying who did it first, dude? It matters about who was first. Okay.
Steezo.
So you're one of his clones, basically.
I'm definitely one of his clones. I be in the crew.
Okay, nice, good.
I'll run with him and this other dude named God of AIDS.
Ah, nice. So you run with Steezo. Are you lying to me, boy? You pulling my leg, or you just...
Nah, for real, bro.
You dribble like you do, but... Alright.
Yo, where does Steezo live?
You said what?
Where does Steezo live?
What kind of goddamn shit is that?
We'll have another fucking shooting guard, man.
He said, where Steezo live, dude? You're kind of predator, dude.
That's kind of...
Trying to rob him, dude? God damn.
Chef, you got hella cat.
Punk sometimes. God damn. Who's this sly guy? He has his mic on. Make sure he doesn't do anything. Here. Alright. Little mid. It's nothing.
So what we're going up against here is called a Zen, guys.
Ah! Get it. A Zen. Who has a Zen?
Up against here is a Zen, man.
Come on, get it safe. Trying to hawk you down. Ha! Goddamn. Feels good to play with a Steezo clone. Watch him, no threes, boys. Yeah, I got this, Monk. Baby threat. God damn it. Shout.
Oh, you got me.
His ISO's so garbage. Doesn't compare to yours. Watch it. You gotta come down close. Dude. Steez would be close, dude. I wish I could run with him, but I can't. But I know he would be close. Dude, baby threat. Get away, you goddamn nerd. goddamn hoodlum, dude. Nice. Yeah, let him die alone, dude. Oh my god! Yeah, he's the real deal. Let him die alone, baby threat. Let him be a man. I went to war, boy. Don't worry, I got him. Watch it, watch it. God damn it.
Should've not picked up.
Dude.
Boy, that's right. I saw for some threes, man.
We're supposed to be winners. God damn, he's the real deal.
Oh my god, he's lucky. He's lucky. I ain't gonna in front. That boy's like that.
Yeah, he is. I pay him good money to be like that.
He's like that.
He's a boy. He works for me. Watch it. Yeah, try to shoot it. Try to shoot it, idiot. Yeah, take the 2. You lucky nerds. You got a lucky head start. And a few lucky stills. Come down. Here it is. Nice. Baby threat, you're such an idiot, dude. Could never deal with ISO, dude.
Can we stop with the dick riding?
Boy,
What, dude?
Inbound still is not that deep, bro.
Come on.
Yeah, let me try to hold him, bro. I want to try.
Yeah, you can't do it, dude.
I just want to try.
Didn't I tell you I pay the boy good money to do this? Ah, give me that shit, you goddamn! Come get it, dude.
Let me try hold him.
And I play good defense. Aw, he wants to try to hold him. Do it to him too, boy.
Yeah, shit.
You'll be packing books again. Have you back out in the field, and you don't want to go back to the field, so you work. Ah, there it is. Nice. Don't worry. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Put it up.
Over here.
I would have had your board, dude. Easy offensive
Bro,
rebounds.
you wasn't there, bro.
That's
I just got
clamps.
stopped by your teammate. It's not clamps at all.
That's not clamps, dude.
Not clamps.
Shouldn't feel happy about that,
Oh, that's
dude.
your man, bro.
That's-
Come on.
That's your dude, dude.
What the fuck is that?
You just spin in circles.
Oh, it isn't. Yeah, you're right. You better watch how you talk to me, though, boy. I'm a man.
Oh no, it's
Yo,
crazy.
what
Respect
is
the ISO.
going on?
Respect the ISO.
He's not letting you ISO, dude. He's being a nerd.
It's his box. I'm telling you, it's his box. This shit ain't shit. This
Your-
shit ain't shit.
Your teammate's helping you, goddamn monk.
Bro, I promise you. It's his box.
Yeah,
GG,
yeah.
Bro, it's alright though. GG's the respect.
Chills
though.
in my ass.
GG's y'all boys.
It's like a
No,
fucking
GG's ISO.
Steezo from fucking Timo, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
Nah. You're not.
Stop talking, bro. I didn't miss a shot on you.
He
bro.
didn't miss.
You sold the game, though. You had like 3 turnovers. You sold the
Double,
game.
stop talking, bro. I carried you. Stop talking.
I don't
I
even
carried
got
you
3
last
turnovers.
Double,
You sold
shut
the
up,
game.
you sass.
Shut up, nigga.
You ass. YouTube OG Almighty, man. YouTube OG Almighty, tap
You
in.
do nothing. How you get a D plus?